Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Jet Set Radio Future. Get ready to dive into the vibrant, cel-shaded world of Tokyo, where you'll join the GGs, a rebellious inline skating gang. Your mission is to spread your unique graffiti art across the city, challenge rival gangs for territory, and outsmart the oppressive Rikaku group and their relentless police force. It's all about style, speed, and self-expression. Movement is key in Jet Set Radio Future. You'll be grinding on almost anything from handrails to telephone wires to navigate the expansive city. For an extra burst of speed, activate your Boost Dash, which uses 10 spray cans. Graffiti tagging is streamlined. Simply press a button near a tag spot, and you can even spray while in motion, making for fluid and fast-paced gameplay. The Rikaku police are a constant threat in Tokyo. Unlike the previous game, you'll directly confront them in specific areas. To defeat them, charge into their vehicles or officers and spray them with your graffiti. Mastering your movement, using grinds and boosting will be crucial for evading their pursuit and successfully completing your objectives across the city. As you progress, you'll unlock a roster of 24 playable characters, many by achieving jet rankings in various test runs and challenges. Explore every corner to find hidden graffiti souls, which expand your artistic options. Completing missions and street challenges is essential to advance the narrative and truly dominate the streets of Tokyo with your unique style.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.